Hi guys, today I've got something else for you. It's a CGS pack. It contains 5 mystery booster packs, as well as Japanese and English. We gotta go to Birmingham. I have no clue what to expect. There's a One Piece 500 Years in the Future pack, English. The same in Japanese. Another Japanese. Another Japanese. And then another English. So yeah, 3 Japanese packs and 2 English packs. Let's start off with this one. I actually had never opened OPO6. These fun small bastards, but a nice chopper card. Now we have a double of the one, Sengoku. And a Lucy. It's not Luffy, but actually Lucy. To the side. Via Force 1.
This should be fun.
Oh, nice! We hit it. Nice sub card. So we have good luck in the big pack after all. This is my best card yet.